Hello everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to do a fishbone stitch. To do a fishbone stitch, bring your needle up from the back at the top of the leaf. Just like so. And then go down the center line with a long stitch. Depends on the way you draw your leaf, which design you want to create. Then bring your needle up on the right hand side, following these curves right here. So just right and below the center stitch and here. So I'm going up right here, pretty much close to the center line, and then I'm going down just right here below the center line. Okay, then repeat the same process, following the curve of your leaf from the left side from the center line. And going down here below the previous stitch. Okay, you can see nothing complicated. Just continue this process till the end of your pattern. Sorry if it's shaking. I hope everything is visible properly. If not, let me know. I'll try to do my best to make it better. So now you've learned how to do a fishbone stitch. I think it's a perfect one to create a leaf embroidery. It looks so nice, like a little bit like a 3D. I hope you like it and it was easy to do for you. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.